Prime Minister Narendra Modi met French President Emmanuel Macron in Paris today to strengthen India-France relations. Speaking at the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit, Modi underscored AI's transformative potential while advocating for ethical governance and inclusive development. He emphasized AI's impact on the economy, security and society, stressing the need for a global effort to ensure responsible AI practices. Modi also showcased India's successful digital public infrastructure built for over 1.4 billion people, aimed at modernizing the economy and reforming governance. He received a warm welcome from the Indian community in Paris upon his arrival last night.
To an AI app, it can explain in simple language, free of any jargon, what it means for your health.